All right, you guys. So today you are taking all of the knowledge that you have gathered this week and you're putting it all together in a constructed response. And I know constructed responses are our favorite. We love them. But the good news is it is only a paragraph that you have to write. Okay, that's it. That's all for today. Just one single paragraph. Okay, so your prompt is, in today's world, technology and the internet can be used in many different ways, both positive and negative. This week, we read about some of the positive ways. In a constructed response using the resources from this week, answer the following prompt. How can technology and the internet be used to help someone be the change you want to see in the world? Please cite evidence from more than one source and explain how that evidence answers the prompt. So, things we need to remember, use more than one source. That means articles, videos, anything that we have looked at this week, you may use to answer the question. You need two of those at least. Answer this question: how can technology and the internet be used to help someone be the change you want to see in the world? Now, if we've forgotten, here is an example constructed response. Okay, this is not the one that you are writing. You are not answering this question. This is just an example so you can remember what the format is. So if a constructed response was given to me and it asked, based off of what you've read, how do you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Support your answers with two pieces of evidence. Here would be a constructed response that I write. Remember, we follow that RACE format, R-A-C-E. Restate the question, answer the question, cite evidence, and explain how the evidence answers the question. So here is my answer. To make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. That would be my restating. Okay, I took how do you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and I made it a complete sentence. So to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, here's my answer. You must combine bread, peanut butter, and jelly. So R and A taken care of. Now I'm going to cite evidence that proves my answer. Okay, pretend I've gone back into my text. I've chosen two examples that prove that you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich by doing this. So I say, according to the text, make sure you have something that says, according to the text, or the text states, or the author states, or whatever. Don't just put evidence there. So according to the text, it states, the bread must come first, using two pieces of bread, of any bread you choose. Okay, there's my first example. Also, the text states, remember it's important to set up that evidence, peanut butter and jelly must go in the middle of the sandwich. Okay, so now I've taken care of my restating, my answering, my citing evidence, and now I'm going to explain how this evidence proves that I got to combine peanut butter and jelly and bread. So the evidence proves that when making a sandwich, the creator must combine bread, peanut butter, and jelly with the bread on the ends. So there's my example. Now, once again, you guys, you are not telling me how to write a peanut butter or how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You are going on this document that it asked you to make a copy of, and you are answering, how can technology and the internet be used to help someone be the change you want to see in the world? And you are citing evidence from more than one source and explaining how that evidence answers the prompt. Okay, paragraph is all writing complete sentences. Use the RACE format. Share it with me.